Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right hardware. Use the original or certified 25W plus charger and a quality cable because voltage and amperage matter. Once done, set charging habits. Top up from 20% to 80% to reduce stress on cells and enable the phone's fast charge mode in settings. Make sure to disable battery saver while charging. Otherwise, the system throttles input. These steps establish the foundation for sustained fast charging performance and extend long-term capacity. Next, you control environment and software. Charge in a cool, ventilated place, ideally 15 degrees to 35 degrees C, because heat forces the system to slow charging. Once your device is in the right spot, update firmware and any battery management apps so the charging algorithms remain optimized. Also, make sure to pause heavy CPU tasks, close games, and intensive apps so the phone won't reduce charging speed. By combining thermal control with current software, you keep peak fast charge rates consistent over many cycles. Finally, maintain hardware and know how to troubleshoot. Inspect cables and ports monthly. Replace frayed cables and clean lint from ports with compressed air. Corrosion or debris reduces contact and speed. Calibrate the battery if readings drift by doing a full charge-discharge cycle every 2 to 3 months, because software learns capacity over time. If fast charging slows, test an alternate certified charger, cable, and another port to isolate the fault. If all fail, seek a battery health check or authorized repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.